Hello guys, this is Admakram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Science for Everyone. As we're covering the Tableau series, I'm going to cover you right now about adding an actionable filter and how we can do it. Just we can go through it in the today's section. Let's say this is what we have is the dashboard all over here. We could see it's a profit map over here. It's like the complete Europe graph is over here and map, and this is what we do previously. All the dashboard that we have category wise sales, and we have like ship mode versus discount over here, and we have scattered plot for sales margin. And what's actionable insight filter is like over here. If I choose Norway over here, you could see in the Europe, the country Norway, I'm just clicking on that. If I do click over here, I couldn't able to see any actionable thing over here in the scatter plot or any other workbook what we have created in the dashboard. So what's actionable filter is like if we are choosing any country or any data, it based on that action your data need to be changes. So here we could able to see there is no data change in the scatter plot for the sales margin, though we are clicking on the Norway or any other country in the Europe what we have the data set for. So let's see for the Australia over here. We could see in Austria too there is no change because we don't have applied for actionable filter. Let's see how we can do that. Simply go to the dashboard and we have actions over here, and we can add our action, or automatically we can choose from over the graph or from the profit margin, or map what you on the sheet itself, what you want, or if you want on ship mode, or if you want the profit map, just click on right side of the more option, and you can use over here is use as a filter, and I have automatically on the actionable filter over here. And now let's see how things will goes on actionable filter. Let's choose Norway as of now, and you could see how the scattered plot changes for the sales margin. And here we are getting the customer for Norway for different, like the scattered plot is not changed. We have disso customer like Jin Crowley and Ginger Owens, and we have Pratika Smith, and we have all over this customers from Norway. And if we choose for United Kingdom, and you see how data will change, see how the UK graph, United Kingdom graph looks in terms of scattered plot margin. These are the customers which gives us profit for the sales mart what we have. And over here we could see these are the customer which are not giving the profit, and so on. We could do actionable insight filtering just by clicking on the data what we needed. Based on that we can change the data. We could see now we could choose Switzerland over here, and see how the data is getting changed not only in this, and you could see how data is getting changed on each and every category, like state-wise sales and shipment mode and discount, not in the scatter plot. Let's see if I choose any other thing. Let's see in the ship mode. Let's see how things will work out. Let's see how things will work out in this session, and let's choose any other mode like Denmark. In the Denmark we see like how sales graph looks like ship mode, discount and sales, along with that sector scatter plot for the sales margin. You could see how the graph looks like, and it's getting changed. And see what's there in our dashboard. Like if we go to the actions over here, and if I double click on the filter, and you could see how we are filtering the data, action filtering data, and we could see we are choosing profit map based on the profit map. If I click on this, selecting this, the changes should be target value should be like scattered by sales, all the four maps, and along with that it should show all value over here. And I can choose anywhere, like if I choose over here hover, and let's see, hover is like just if I take my cursor all over in the map, and it will change drastically the things. Let's see if I do OK over here, and if I do OK from here, Just see guys, I'm not clicking any data over here, just I'm going over here. See how the data is getting changed. If I just take cursor to any of my like countries of Norway, or if you see any Poland, or you can see any country, Germany, Netherlands, how data is getting changes without any clicking, just if I hovering over it. Germany, each and every state is just, I'm just hovering over it, and it is getting actionable filtering by default, and it's giving you right away the result. So this is how, if I once click all over here, and you could see this is how you can do the menu, and you could see the clearing and section, key filtering value, exclude all value. This is all what we have in the filtering editable pattern. If I see, if you can remove this too, and if you do that, you can just go over here and you can remove it, and you can click OK, and now you can see you couldn't able to see any changes because we have removed the actionable filter, and there is no change in our any type or any graph or an scatter plot for sales or a map or anything, because we have disabled or we have removed the actionable filter. If you want to add by default like manually, you can go in the option add action, then filters, and then you can select the thing like I want to do profit map for the year something, and then you can for the year you can choose 2014 something, the map shows, and then based on that you can click any value like profit map, click on, then hover it, and if I do OK, then see if you want your target, your first target or your dashboard target should be like all the maps, all others, or if you don't want all others and if you want only scattered plot for sales margin, then you can do this too, and you can click all over here and you can go OK for it. And now let's see if I do all over, you could see there is no data change in the category wise sale or shipment board or discount. You can only see for it scattered plot for sales, which we have just chosen for actionable inside filter. And that's it for the today's session guys, and hopefully you got it. And if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. And regarding the next video, I will be covering on the actionable highlights, how you can do it in the Tableau, and you will be getting that too. And hope enjoy the video. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.